Today, our lesson is about measure of central tendency and measures of variability for ungrouped data. Let's tackle first about measures of central tendency and grouped data. So, when you say measures of central tendency, meron tayong tatlo. So, what are those? So, we have the mean, median, and mode. What is mean? Mean means the average of the data. So, how will you get for the average? Add all the data, then divide it kung ilan lahat yung data na inad mo. Next, we have the median. Median means the middle value of the data. So, first in median, you need to arrange your scores to lowest to highest in ascending order, then find the middle value. So, that's the median. Next, for mode. It is the number that occurs most often in a data. When you say mode, ito yung pinakamaraming nag-exist na umulit na number dun sa inyong data. So, that is measures of central tendency. Now, let us have an example. Find the mean, median, and mode of the given data. We have 10, 12, 14, 10, 15, 18, 20, and 20. First, let us arrange the given. Arrange it into ascending order. So, we have here our lowest score. We have here 10. Next, another 10. Next, we have here 12, 14, 15, 18, 20, and 20. So, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright. Then, now, we can now find for the mean. Let's find for the mean. The symbol for mean, we have here X with a bar sa taas. So, that is the symbol for mean if you are going to find for the mean. So, we have here the mean is equal to, we are going to add it all, then divide it kung ilan lahat yung data natin for us to find the average. So, yun lang si mean, average lang. So, we have 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 15 plus 18 plus 20 plus 20. So, yan lang po. Then, divide it into 8. Why 8? Kasi 8 yung dating data or scores. So, it is equal to, if you add it all, the answer here is 119, then divide it into 8. So, our mean here is equal to, if you are going to divide 119 divided by 8, the answer is 14.88. So, this is your mean. So, make sure lang po na lagi siyang nakasimplify into 2 decimal places. Is it clear? Next tayo, let us have what you called the median. When you say median, this is the middle number of your data or the given scores. Ang ating pong symbol for median, we have here X, then a tilde dun sa taas. Okay? So, parang curly line dun sa taas ni X or a tilde. Yun po yung tawag dun. So, we have here for mean, X and a tilde. So, find the middle number. Since we have 8 data, dalawa yung ating magiging middle data. So, we have 14 and 15. So, for us to find the middle number, you need to find for the average of 14 and 15. So, we have 14 plus 15, then divide it into 2. Kasi dalawa yung middle number natin. What if 7 lang yan? Wala yung 20 dyan. So, ang pinaka-middle number mo dyan, we have here 14. Yun yung sagot mo. Since wala ang ating given data, you need to find for the average of 14 and 15. So, 14 plus 15 divided by 2, the answer here is 14.5. So, this is your mean score. Is it clear? Next tayo, let us have the mode. Mode. For the mode, the symbol for mode, we have here X, then a not. Ayan. A not ang tawag dyan. Or, yung arrowhead, yun nga lang, sa taas siya nakaturo. So, that is for the mode. So, what is the most frequent number? Or yung pinaka naulit na mga number? As you can see, ang naulit na number dito ay si 20 at saka si 10. Which is pareha silang umulit ng dalawang beses. So, therefore, your mode here is 10 and 20. Is it clear? That is now your mode. So, ganun lang po kasimple si measure of central tendency. What if si 20 umulit ng 4 na beses? Sino ang mode mo ngayon? So, yung mode mo lang doon ay si 20 lang kasi siya yung may pinakamaraming umulit. Is it clear? So, that is mode. So, kapag dalawa ang mode mo, ang tawag po dito sa mode na to ay tinatawag mong bimodal. Pag isa lang, ang tawag po doon ay unimodal. Ayun. So, that is how you are going to get for the mean, median, and mode of the given scores. Basta lagi pong tatandaan, kailangan ng scores mo ay laging naka-arrange to smallest to highest. Okay? So, para mas madali mo siyang makita kung sino especially kay median at saka kay mode. Pero kung min lang naman hinahanap mo, pwedeng hindi mo na siya i-arrange. Add mo lang siya lahat, then find the average. Is it clear? Now, let's move with our next topic. We have measures of variability. Measures of variability. So, meron tayong ulit na tatlo. The first one is what you called range. When you say range, it is the difference between the highest score and lowest score. So, meaning highest score minus lowest score. Number 2, we have the standard deviation. When you say standard deviation, it allows us to immediately compare the spread of different set of scores and enable us to interpret the scores of a given set of data. So, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung formula at kung paano natin makukuha si standard deviation. Next, number 3, we have the variance. For the variance, it is defined as the quotient of the sum of the squared deviation from the mean divided by n minus 1. So, si variance, pwede mo na siyang makuha doon sa gagamitin natin na standard deviation na formula. Now, let us have an example for in finding the range, standard deviation, and variance. Find the range, standard deviations, and variance of the given data. We have the given of 2, 4, 7, 12, and 15. Now, let us find the range. So, for us to find the range, sabi dito, we have the highest score minus the lowest score lang. So, your range here, we have, it is equal to, what's the highest score in 2, 4, 7, 12, and 15? Obviously, we have here 15. Then, subtract it to the lowest score, we have here 2. So, 15 minus 2, what is the answer? The answer is 13. So, this is now your range. So, ganun lang kasimpleng kuhanin si range. So, clear? Now, let's move with the standard deviation. For the standard deviation, si standard deviation, pwedeng mo lang siyang i-symbol as small letter s. Ayan, standard deviation. For us to find the standard deviation, we are going to find for the mean muna. So, i-arrange muna natin siya. So, we have here x. Then, afterwards, you need to find for the x minus mean. Then, next, we have the squared of x minus the mean. So, ito yung mga dapat natin kuhanin. So, x means the scores. Yan. So, what are those scores? So, we have here 2. Next, we have 4, 7, 12, and then 15. So, that are the scores. Next, we need to find for the mean of that score. So, how will you find for the mean? Let us now first find for the mean. So, for us to find for the mean of this one, we have here the mean. We are going to add 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 12 plus 15. Then, divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it clear? Now, let us use calculator. Let us add 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 12 plus 15. Then, it is equal to 40. 40, then divide natin, ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 5. Therefore, your mean is equal to 8. So, yan yung gagamitin natin. So, we are going to find for x minus the mean. So, we have here x. We need to have this one, x minus 8. Ganoon. So, 2 minus 8, the answer here is negative 6. Next, 4 minus 8, the answer here is negative 4. Next, 7 minus 8, the answer is negative 1. 12 minus 8, the answer we have here 4. Next, 15 minus 8, the answer here is 7. Ayan na yan. So, ulitin natin. We need to find for the mean of your score. So, we have here 8. And then, you are going to subtract all these scores to your mean. 2 minus 8, negative 6. 4 minus 8, negative 4. 7 minus 8, negative 1. Basta kailangan, itapat mo yung sagot mo dun sa pinag-subtract mo. Next, we have here the squared of x minus the mean. So, since squared of x minus the mean, squared mo lang to. Meaning, negative 6 squared. Ganun lang. So, ang sagot dyan ay 36. Next, negative 4 squared. The answer here is 16. Negative 1 squared. The answer here is 1. 4 squared. The answer is 16. 7 squared. The answer here is 49. Alright? Then, afterwards, find the summation of this one. Pag sinabi mo summation, i-add mo lahat. 36 plus 16 plus 1 plus 16 plus 49. So, this is what you call summation of x minus the mean squared. So, it is equal to, pag inad mo lahat yan, the answer here is 118. Ayan na. So, kompleto ka na sa list. Now, let us have the formula for the standard deviation. Tandaan ang formula. This is the formula for the standard deviation. Formula mo, we have here is S. We have small letter S is equal to the square root of the summation of x minus the mean squared over n minus 1. So, that is your formula for the standard deviation. So, it is equal to the squared. Diba meron na tayo nito? Ito yon. That is 118. Then, divided by n minus 1. Ano yung n minus 1? Ilan lahat yung scores mo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have here 5 minus 1. Is it clear? So, it is equal ngayon, si s mo, we have s is equal to the square root of 118 divided by 4. So, s is equal to, let us compute. We have here 118 divided by 4. Ayan, lumabas. Then, square root lang natin. Square root of the answer. So, your answer here is 5.43. So, we have 5.43. So, this is your standard deviation. Is it clear? So, ganun po kumuha ng standard deviation. So, this is your formula. Summation ni the squared of x minus the mean. Alright? Now, let us have the variance. Sino naman si variance? Si variance, ito lang po. For us to find the variance is s squared. Yan naman yung kay variance. S squared po ang kanyang symbol for variance. So, si variance ay summation lang po nito. Summation of x minus the mean squared over n minus 1. So, ayan lang yan. Meaning, ito yun. Ito lang yan. 118 over 4. So, makukuha mo na yung variance. So, you are going to divide 118 divided by, bakit 4? Kasi ang scores mo ay 5. 5 minus 1, we have here 4. So, 118 divided by 4. 118 divided by 4. So, here's your answer. The answer is 29.5. So, your S squared or your variance is 29.5. Alright? So, ganun lang po siya kasimple. Is it clear? Let's have another example. Find the mean, median, mode, range, standard deviation, and variance of the given scores. We have here 34, 35, 45, 56, 32, 25, and 40. First, let us arrange the given scores from lowest to highest. So, the lowest score here, we have here 25. Next, we have here 32. 32. Next, 34. 35. Next, we have 40. 40. 45. And then 56. So, we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, check. Then, afterwards, let us have the average for the mean. Your symbol for the mean, we have X, then a bar. Yan. So, you will just add it all. 25 plus 32 plus 34 plus 35 plus 40 plus 45 plus 56. Then, divide it in how many datas do we have? We have here 7. So, it is equal to 267 divided by 7. So, the answer here is 38.14. Okay, 38.14. So, this is now your mean score. Now, let us find the median. So, what's the middle number? Since this one is 7, meron tayong pinakagitna. That is 35. So, our median, we have X, then a tilde. So, it is equal to 35. So, ganun lang kasimple. Next, let us find the mode. Tingnan natin kung meron bang may pinaka-frequent na umulit sa kanya. Meron ba? Since wala, therefore, there is no mode. Wala umulit eh. Alright? Next tayo, let us have the range. When you say range, we have the highest score minus the lowest score. So, your range here is equal to, what's the highest score? We have here 56 minus 25. Let us compute. 56 minus 25, the answer is 31. So, this is now your range. Clear? Now, let's move with the standard deviation and variance. Right. For standard deviation, we have the mean. So, hindi ko na tinanggal si mean. Ang mean natin kanina is 38.14. So, add them all, then divide it into 7. Kasi 7 ang data natin. Then, now, let us subtract. So, we have the score minus the mean. Your score, we have here 25 minus 38.14. So, ang sagot natin po ay negative 13.14. Next tayo, we have 32 minus 38.14 ulit. So, the answer is negative 6.14. Negative 6.14. Next, we have here 34 minus 38.14. Negative 4.14. 4.14. Next, we have here 35. The answer here is negative 3.14. 0.14. Next, we have 40. 40. The answer is 1.86. 0.86. Next, we have here 45. 45 minus 38.14. 6.86. Next, we have here 56. The answer is 17.86. Okay? We're done. Next, i-squared naman natin sila isa-isa. So, since ang negative, pag in-squared mo, magiging positive. So, 13.14, then squared natin. We have here 13.14 squared. The answer is 172.66. O, 2 decimal na lang. 172.66. Next tayo. Okay, so shortcut na natin. So, ito na yung magiging kalabasan niya pag in-squared mo isa-isa yung inyong x minus the mean. So, this is the answer. Then, let us find the sum. So, for us to find the sum, you are going to add this all. The answer here is 606.86. Now, let us move with the standard deviation. So, the formula for the standard deviation is the square root of the sum of x minus the mean squared over n minus 1. So, we have the sum. Ang sum natin ay 606.86 divided by the total number of n mo here is 7 minus 1. So, therefore, that is 6. So, we have the square root of 606.86 over 6. So, that would be your standard deviation. Let us compute. So, we have 606.86 divided by 6. So, itong lumabas na itong divided by 6 mo, yan na yung inyong variance eh. So, 101.14. So, kung hinahanap mo si variance, si s squared, ang sagot na doon is 101.14. So, yan na yung variance mo. Then, afterwards nyan, pag nakuha mo na yon, square root of 101. Find the square root ng answer mo. So, we have here, your S is 10.06. So, this is your standard deviation. So, ulit. So, si variance mo, si S squared, ito yon, yung dinivide ko na 606.86 divided by 6. Ang sagot mo na doon, that is your variance. Then, kapag kinuha mo na yung square root niya, yun na yung inyong standard deviation, which is 10.06. So, make sure lang na yung answer nyo, kailangan pong lowest term sa 2 decimal places. Is it clear? So, that is the measures of central tendency and variability of ungrouped data. So, hopefully, may naintindihan for this lesson. So, thank you for listening. Bye-bye!